may just share with you one of my customers that is currently helping me right now to sell products left, right, and center. This lady called me some time ago, and she said to me, Chris, I have not had a bowel movement in some time. Yes, in fact, when I do, it is infrequent. Can I tell you that it is painful, and I don't know what is wrong with me. I'm losing weight left, right, and center. Nothing is happening for me positively. And would you believe it? She bought 60s, ladies and gentlemen. And having bought the 60s, for the first 2 weeks, she excreted only mucus. Only mucus. There was absolutely no fecal matter. Yes, she was eating, she was having her regular meals, but it was only mucus that was being dispelled from her system. The third week, she started experiencing fecal matters leaving her body. But this time, the fecal matters were as black as the hair on her head. Yes, that happened in the 4th week. That happened in the 5th and the 6th week. Ladies and gentlemen, she felt as if the tea was harming her. But lo and behold, what she recognized, having bought more teas, is that in the 7th week, the fecal matters returned to the normal colors. I told her that based on the fact that she hadn't had bowel movements prior to, her system was literally poisoned, and the tea saved her life. Today, she said, listen, Chris, I have my own business that I'm operating. I don't want to take on what you're doing now, but what I will do is that I will refer people to you. And let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, she's referring people left, right, and center. People are coming from all walks of life to get their 60s, and she's not leaving her teas either. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm saying that to say that the products at Vida Divina that we speak about so eloquently, that we emphasize on with such great passion, these are not no joking products. This product line is changing lives all across the world. Simone can tell you, Clinton Daly can tell you of the number of men and women, whom they are helping with erectile issues, with diabetes challenges, and so much more. It's just phenomenal to know that we have such an awesome product line that is second to none. So right now I am zooming, I'm locked in, I am focused, because the combination of our products and our compensation plan is indeed second to none. So